Recommending is not the word. I would definitely demand them to use NT Pavers. My name is Noel, and I'm the owner of Lanoma restaurant in Fort Lee. I've known the company for the past 10 years, and I've used them for different projects. And one of these projects was my own house. I had an amazing architect who recommended NT Pavers. And with the first experience, we fell in love into the working progress, into delivery of the material, exclusive material that we were able to get all the way from Italy to land in New Jersey and look amazing on all of the walls in my house. So when we started the project of the restaurant, we had no questions who we're gonna use. We knew exactly who the vendor supplier is gonna be. And the tile that we chose actually is phenomenal. The only thing that we couldn't find it anywhere in US and through any other suppliers because it's extremely thin. And any breakage that we had here done by our workers was immediately recovered by bringing more slabs in. Well, my first reaction, oh my God, I made the right decision. So I was very proud of our choice, and I was very impressed with the fine dining look that it created. It gave a lot of expensive interior look to it, and that's how Lanoma stands apart from all other restaurants. Timing is crucial in everything, but it's more crucial in the restaurant industry, any business. When you're under construction, your run doesn't stop. With that company, with that delivery, we had no issues whatsoever. And I've never thought in my head, oh my God, if not them, I would have finished construction much sooner. So everything came perfectly on time, even before we needed it. So we had to store some of our products in the warehouse that belongs to the company. And then when we need it, we would remove the slabs one by one. Thank you so much to NT Pavers for helping us create Lanoma the way it is today. And I'm very proud of our first project. I look forward to many more. So we have amazing relationship, we have amazing future with the company, and we're so happy to come into Lanoma every day and look at the amazing job that we have in here. Thank you so much, guys.